In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove a URL from Bing search results. We'll walk through the exact steps inside Bing Webmaster Tools, and I'll explain what each choice means so you know you're making the right selection. First, go to Bing Webmaster Tools and sign in. Use the account that manages your site so you see the correct properties when you log in. This tool is where Bing lets site owners control how their content appears in search, including temporarily blocking pages from results. Once you're in, select your verified website property. Only sites that are verified under your account will show up here, so be sure you choose the exact version of your site you want to manage. Pay close attention to whether it's the www or non-www version and whether you're working with a subdomain, because the block applies to the property you select. Next, in the left menu, go to Configure My Site, then click Block URLs. This section is designed specifically for removing content from Bing's search results. It's the right place to go when you need an urgent removal without changing your site's code. Now enter the exact URL you want to block. You can paste a single page URL if you need to hide just that page. If you want to cover a group of pages, you can target a directory by using the folder path, which will affect everything inside that folder. Patterns are also supported, which is helpful when several URLs follow the same structure. Before you submit, double-check the URL you entered. Include the correct protocol, such as HTTP or HTTPS, and use the trailing slash for directories so you don't accidentally block more than intended. You'll then choose whether to block the URL and its cache or just the cached version. Blocking the URL and its cache removes the page from Bing's results and clears the stored snapshot that appears through the cached link. This is the option to use when you need the result itself to stop showing. Blocking just the cached version keeps the page in results but removes the cached copy, which is useful if the page content has changed and you don't want an outdated snapshot to appear. When everything looks right, click Submit or Block to send your request. Changes aren't instant, so give Bing some time to process the request. If you need to act broadly, start with precise blocks and expand only as necessary to avoid overreaching. That's it. Quick, clear, and effective control over what shows in Bing.